2, 3, 4. I think everybody is almost here, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one is.
Zoom ka ba?
Okay then. Maybe we just open the class now.
Hey everybody, let's start our class tonight. Maybe before we start.
Okay.
Let's get ready first. Okay, let's pray together. Let's pray begin. Okay, finish.
Okay, thank you, Alfat, and welcome, Fadil. I thought you won't be here tonight, but now you are there. So we have only one round for tonight, or two rounds? One round. Oh yeah, Arya, Zaki, Davin, and others are the first one. Okay. Is there any remote for this one? Yes. Round 2. Practice one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, drawing B. Okay, can you set the HDMI 2 for the remote? Yes, please. Okay, that one. Oh, so we have determined the persons, right? Will be pro and cons here, right? Determine. You know determine? Yes. Enaknya sih dibacanya determine ya. But it's supposed to be like determine. Berarti kita sudah menentukan orang-orangnya. Cuman firstnya siapa, secondnya siapa belum. Ini bener nggak? Salah ya? Okay, the first one is supposed to be. Oh, Salim is the second. Oh, Salim is first. Oh, I see. So it's supposed to be with Maruf, right? You are the second. And what about the cons? Oh, bener ya? Fadil, are you here? Oh, you are the third one. And Fadil is the second ya, Fadil? Kayaknya Fadil belum panas deh. Kita panasin dulu ya. Pemanasan dulu biar nggak ini cedera ya, Arya. Gimana Fadil pertama? Oke. Fadil really needs warming up activities, I guess. Gimana? Is it correct? So the first speaker is Fadil, and you are the first speaker. I think Fadil must change the positions. It's supposed to be like Singgi, the positions, I guess, because you are the first. Yes. Berarti biar head to head sama yang first juga, ya kan? Oke.
Fadil dulu ya?
Fadil the first. Moderatornya. Oke.
Kedua siapa? Dia kedua siapa?
Yang kedua.
Tiga.
Oke, the moderator is supposed to be Zaki. Randy. Randy is the third. Okay. The timekeeper is Randy. The timekeeper for this round is will be the timekeeper, by the way. For this round is nobody wants to be the timekeeper for the second round. It's supposed to be like Arya or Alfat or Alan or Randy or Davin. Okay, this one is Arya. But everyone, because Fadil is not really that hot, then let's make him hot first, right? By playing a game first, right? I think this kind of game malah lebih mengetahui ya your speaking ability, and we call this kind of game is agree and disagree game. You know what is agree? Agree. Kalau agree setuju ya. Kalau disagree tidak setuju. So like you can see over here, there will be the spinner because we want to make Fadil hotter, right? Biar nanti POI-nya banyak. Enggak dong, kasihan nih, pecah nanti kepalanya. Like I said, this kind of game is called agree and disagree. So when I spin something and there will be a sentence comes out, and you must say, you must say whether you are agree. Do you agree or not? For example, like AI will replace most human jobs in the future. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree, and why? So just give me one sentence or maybe more for the reason why don't you disagree? Why don't you agree? Belum mulai ya, kita pemanasan dulu biar tidak cedera. Oke. Do you understand? Oke. Nah, nanti kita mulainya zigzag juga. Mulainya dari siapa ya? Dari rekanan ya. So it's supposed to be Mas Dede and then Roy Pig and then Maruf and then Singgi and so forth. Yes. Ini games dulu pemanasan ya. Roy Pig udah nggak sabar ya Roy Pig. Okay. When the sentence comes out, you must say whether you agree or disagree. Nggak boleh natural ya. Natural, it's 50-50. Okay, so let's begin for the first speaker, first person. Okay, the employee should always follow company rules, even if they disagree. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, nice. Why? Because okay, good culture. Culture ya. Culture, good culture.
Yes.
Oh, because we must make a good culture. Oh, okay. Do you have another reason? No, just that. Okay, good. Yes, at least that one is the reason. So you disagree.
Sudah ya, diam.
Ini kayaknya yang udah kita remove aja ya. Gak usah close ya. Okay. So Roy Pig, please be ready. Okay. A good programmer doesn't need to be good at communication. Do you agree or disagree? Agree. Why? Doesn't need to. Oh berarti nggak agree ya?
Because to be programmer is more to the
Oh, so
organization.
belum ya, belum bentar. So the point is, becoming a programmer, we just need like a logical, not the communications.
Communication is good,
But-
more important is
Yeah,
logical.
the first one is logical. Does anybody has another idea? Yes, Maruf. So you must be disagree.
Because the programmer needs to can
Oh, must
must
be good at communication.
Can communicate with the client, so that will be no misunderstanding between the client and the programmer.
Okay, but actually we do not need to be. Oh, you wanted to. Okay.
Not always in the
Oh, langsung ya, oke.
Maybe is apa namanya
Tugas,
tugas bukan PMnya ya apa?
assignment, technical. Technical. Oh, technical. Oke, banyak ini Bu sih. Oke. Moderatornya, Mr. Moderator gimana? Udah puyeng ya? Freeze ya? Oke. If we see from this kind of sentence, I think we do not need to choose which one is the most important thing, right? But Maruf, if we must choose one, which one is the first one for you actually? Is it like the logical or the communications? If the first one, the first skill that must a programmer must have.
First, logical.
Logical. But another one is the communications. Udah ya, lanjut ya. Salim. Yes, this is our first motion, right? Oh ya, Maruf, salah. Sorry. Open source software is better than the commercial software. Ini udah kita debatin ya. So, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Why?
Because open source software is it can work better than commercial, and it's a free software.
Oh, but first it runs well and it's free of charge.
Yes.
Does anybody has another idea? No. Kayaknya lebih pada ke open source, right? Kemarin yang cons mana nih nggak berkutik? Yang cons kalau nggak salah security ya, issue ya. Kalau yang open source software, masalahnya di security. Oke, good. Nggak ada ya? Security. Oke, security or security? Security. Oke. And sing security. Singgi, is it your turn? Oh yes. Okay. Lo. Okay. Cyber security. Security lagi ya? No. Oh no. Can you read the sentence first?
Creativity is more valuable than technical skill in the IT industry.
Do you agree or disagree? Singgi.
Creativity is more valuable than
Yes. So you must agree with the creativity. Do you agree with that? In IT industry, creativity is more valuable than the technical skills. Do you agree? I have this claim at the beginning of our class. You are not allowed to say a neutral. Are you more into the... But, yes.
if you UX role,
Uh-huh. Oh.
creativity is more valuable than
Oh, I
but
see.
if you
Purely the programmer?
programmer, technical skill is more than
Yeah. Okay. Yes, better you say that one rather than the naturals because, yeah, it depends on the rule, right? Okay, good. Does anybody has another idea? Singgi, yes, exactly. Kenapa itu? Bukan ya? Bukan POA ya? Oh yes, please. Oh, agree. Okay, why? Yes, please.
Because technical skill it can be learning by anywhere.
Okay, learning by anywhere.
Creativity is comes from ourselves.
Ourselves. So we, wait, comes from ourselves.
Within.
So do you agree that creativity is more valuable than the technical skills? Oh yes. So the first one is creativity. So the first one, if you want to be the best programmer, is the creativity, not the technical skill. Okay then. Yes, opinions is never be wrong, right? Yang namanya opini nggak ada yang salah ya. Oke, good. Mungkin, oke. Bisa. Oke. And it's supposed to be Salim, right? Yes. AI yang tadi ya. AI yang tadi ya. You can read the sentence first. Can you read the sentence first? AI will replace most human jobs in the future. Do you agree or disagree? Why?
Because we as a human,
We as human? Apa?
innovation.
Okay. Oh, you mean that AI cannot do the innovation? You mean?
Yes.
That's why it cannot replace human jobs in the future.
Of course, because this AI running based at data.
Oh, it just run based on the data. Disagree, yeah? Okay, does anybody agree with? Fadil, do you agree that AI can replace human jobs in the future? Do you agree or disagree? Kok ke Fadil ya? Ini kayak mengcounter ke ini aja nih, ke counter karena kan it's not your turn, so you must counter Salim's reason. Salim says that AI will never replace human jobs. Do you agree with him? Okay.
Jawabannya bisa susah, bisa juga gitu.
Tapi ini dalam konteks apa dulu kerjaan?
Apa ya?
Nah, mungkin bisa di disclaimer dulu ya. Yes. Wait up. Fadil, yes, please.
Apa ya?
Uh-huh.
Many information.
Man information and what do you mean by man information?
Dia lebih banyak gitu loh, menangkap informasi ketimbang
AI
AI ya.
has more information than human. So AI can replace human job.
Bisa aja bisa enggak.
Can be yes, can be no, depend on what?
Apa ya?
Okay, Singgi, do you want to counter? No. Enggak ya? Maruf, is it for real? No.
Yes.
So you disagree with him?
Yes.
So you agree that AI will replace human jobs?
AI will replace the most human jobs in the future
Mhm.
in the line of the most repetitive tasks.
Oh, I
like,
see.
Assembly line, customer service, and data entry.
Just for the repetitive
Yes,
job.
The repetitive job, the human will be replaced by
But
AI.
I think you agree with him, right? Because he has this claim that innovation will never be replaced, right? Do you agree with that?
In the creative
As-
world is
AI.
not in the near future will be replaced by AI.
Okay. AI still have many job on it. Ya, kalau sampai punya innovation berarti bahaya banget ya. Okay, good. Nice. And now, bakalan bisa nanti. Oke, nice. Di Jepang aja udah ada yang bisa ini ya, robot yang bisa merespon secara natural. Oke, wow, nice. Resepsionis di hotel ya. Oke, nice. We are coming to Fadila, guys. Nah, ini nih. Ini kayaknya ini innovation ya. Innovation, please read the sentence. Profit. Do you agree that innovation should come before profit? So profit first and then innovation. Do you agree with that?
No.
No. Why? Hah? No atau agree? Agree that innovation should come first before profit.
Yes.
Oh, why?
Because
Because we need profit to be innovative gitu. Gimana?
innovation should come before profit.
Ya,
Inovasi itu di bawah ini
Apa?
belum keuntungan. Jadi itu harus ada inovasi.
Ya kita kan punya inovasi dulu.
Ya.
baru profit.
Setuju nggak?
Setuju. Ya, benar alasannya. Berarti inovasi dulu baru profit ya. Nah, kalau ini mah profit dulu baru innovation. Enggak ya? Iya, inovasi dulu ya. Why? It's okay, just try. Sedang bekerja ya. Maybe you can say in bahasa, then we can help you.
Kita punya inovasi. Nah, setelah inovasi berhasil, nah profit.
Oke, bahasa Inggrisnya sekarang. Terlalu banyak. We must have the innovation first, and then the profit will come after it, gitu.
Ya. Betul.
Oh,
Ini bukannya
Konteksnya.
Ini bukannya apa kita mendului inovasi daripada keuntungan bukan sih? Konteksnya.
konteks yang ini. Yes. Inovasi dulu baru profit.
Kita ngejar inovasi dulu.
Ya.
Baru profit. Bukan profit dulu baru innovation ya.
Tapi ini butuh modal.
Arya, do you want to counter?
Ada di
Please. Okay, disagree.
Maybe you can DP.
Down payment. Udah kan bahasa Inggris kan? DP. So you give some DP first gitu.
Yeah.
Arya, you want to counter him? No.
If we have innovation, we must have
Capital? Modal is something like modal kan modal usaha mesti ya. The capital, I guess. Capital. Jadi bukan hanya ibu kota ya kapital itu, tapi juga modal. Kapitalis ya kan? Berasal dari kata capitalis. Oke. Wah, dia udah politik nih kapitalis saya. Sayangnya nggak ada politik nih yang dengan AI ya, apa IT. Oh, so we need capital if we want to be innovative person now. Oh, maybe it depend on the project, I guess, right? Okay. Again. Nice. Udah critical thinkingnya sudah mulai ini ya. Tinggal speakingnya nanti di game kedua. It's supposed to be alpha, I guess, right? Yes. Can you read the sentence first?
Technology makes people more connected but less personal.
Do you agree or disagree? Make people more connected than less personal.
percaya.
More connected.
Yes. Disagree. Why?
If you have some technologies, our personal ecosystem, right?
Mhm.
And
Your personal ecosystem. What is that? What do you mean?
it says technology make people more connected, but
Less
not
personal.
all the technology is make people connected, like our ecosystem, maybe like laptop.
Yes.
So if the technology is not connected with the internet, we cannot connect with anybody. So it's not less personal, but it's more personal.
It's more personal. Yes.
Pak
Baru.
Prabowo ya? Oh, Pak Anies tadi.
Jangan dong. Jangan dong. Kasih napas ya. Ayo.
Aku agree.
Disagree. So you agree with it? Okay. Why?
Because the technology make a innovation like telephone,
Mhm.
the video call.
Okay.
It's more connected.
Yes.
So all people from the long distance can
Mhm.
still contact, but it's still less personal because we don't meet at the same place.
Oh, less personal because we don't meet like face to face, right? And like physically meet. Do you want to counter? Yes, please.
So the technology in your meeting is like just
Like Skype maybe or okay.
communication tools, right?
Can
But
you?
in wider scope, the technology is not only for communication. Okay? It can be used as a personal purpose.
Oke. Let's say teknologi mendekatkan yang jauh, menjauhkan yang dekat gitu. Do you agree with that? Ketika kita saling berdekatan, sometimes we are busy with our own gadget, right? Tapi mendekatkan yang jauh, karena kita biasanya connect sama orang yang jauh ya. Do you agree with that? No. No, it depends on the person.
Yes.
You are not one of that person.
Yes, because I am conventional people.
What do you mean by conventional person?
Yes, like old-fashioned way.
So you always interact with the people around you. Oh, I see. That was good actually. Yes, that was good. Just keep it more. Okay, now we are coming to Zaki, I guess. Long working hours. Yes, long working hours. Can you read first?
Long working hours mean activity.
Do you agree or disagree? Loh, Fadil ketawa ya. This is so Zaki. Oh wow. So you must be agree then. Do you agree or disagree?
Working at midnight.
Sebagian lama ya intinya sama dengan dedikasi yang lebih tinggi, Pak.
Jadi indikator dedikasi itu dari lamanya bekerja. Oke. Iya benar. Do you agree? Hah? Dedikasi. Dedikasi. Apa?
Loyal atau nggak loyal?
Ya di dalamnya ada loyal.
Perusahaan gitu.
Why? Do you agree with this? Because this is me myself. No ya.
Make you apa ya? Nyaman tuh.
Comfort.
Make you comfortable and you will
Comfort ya. Kalau comfortable apa? Comfortable is kenyamanan.
comfort.
Oke, comfort. And then
And
wait, long working hours make us comfort. Really? Make you comfort? Yes. And
sorry, comfort.
oke. Zaki belum debat ya kemarin ya? Oh udah. Oke. Nggak ketukar-tukar kan argumennya ya? Oke. Jadi nggak jadi comfort nih. So long working hours does not make us comfort, nggak jadi. Oh ya, berarti tetap agree ya? Why?
Because you
Akrab, coba disambung lagi nih. Oh akrab, siap.
because your variable is increased step by step
With
for long working hours
ayo, you can do it, you can do it.
and make you have more any experience and then
Okay, so by working in a long hours, it will give us like many experiences. You mean? Oh, so the more
many skills.
oh many skills. Okay. Tapi ini konteksnya lagi kerja ya, tapi ya.
But this comes from the creativity is that
Oke, ada variabel baru ya, kreativitas nih.
ya balik lagi karena berdasarkan lagi kreativitasnya lagi.
Okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Does anybody has a different idea? Yes, Maru. You disagree? Why?
Because long working hours is not always mean
Yes.
dedication, but
Yes.
it meaning it's a bad management of the project.
Bad? Oh wow! So it indicates that bad management.
Bad project management.
Yes, if we work in long hours, yes.
The project manager cannot manage the project efficiently. So I have work-life balance people.
Wih, Gen Z banget ya. So what is your indicators if someone is called as a dedicated person? What is your first indicator?
My
Indicator.
indicator is when the people is working efficient and not wasting any time, but it's ongoing.
So that is dedicated person.
Yes, because
Okay.
that man or the people is focus people.
Like he's on the job.
Yes.
Okay.
So it can be
Okay.
in like
We got it. Yes, please. Zaki, is it for real, right?
Yes.
Can you counter it?
Our project.
Yes, please.
Long working hour is mean you working completely for completing your job the first from the schedule. Masih ngomong.
From the schedule.
You completely
Oh, you finished the task earlier. Earlier? Huh?
You finish the task
Oh, earlier. Earlier. sorry. Okay, this one.
from the schedule. It's not mean lembur.
Overtime. Working overtime.
I'm strongly
Zaki, are you finished with yours? Okay, please.
I'm strongly disagree.
I strongly disagree.
Yes, because if we are work long enough, we will feel exhausted. So
Exhausted.
It's not. It's less dedicated. It's less make
Dedicated.
the person dedicated.
The person, yes. Ada lagi?
So, dedication in my case that means people who work efficient. So, Mr. Zaki, did you mean the long working hours mean we should to complete the job with
Earlier.
not earlier but like yeah due time.
You date? You time? Okay.
Earlier with the due time we time.
Okay. Okay, I just want to make it like clearer. So what is the first indicator is if someone is called as a dedicated person from Zaki? The first rule, the first indicator.
Because the working hour means dedication. Because it's more variable and it's more
Experience. So we working while adding our experience, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you. But everyone, please keep in mind over here, this is the most important thing, I guess. And I can see from yours, almost most of you, like it's supposed to be like I agree, right? Not I am agree. Kenapa nggak boleh pakai M? This one. Mau dia saya tidak setuju, bukan I am disagree, but I disagree. Why we may not use M? Kenapa nggak boleh pakai to be M? Karena agree adalah kelas kata kerja. That's why kita tidak diperbolehkan menggunakan to be. So I disagree. It's not only Alfat but almost of us. Termasuk saya. Kadang kalau lupa pakai M ya. But it is very okay as the native speaker of English says. Tapi itu dalam pembicaraan doang tapi ya. Tapi kalau dalam writing nggak boleh, grammarnya harus tetap 100% benar. Kan dalam speaking yang penting adalah orang paham apa yang kita ingin sampaikan ya. Tapi kan kita ingin menjadi terlihat professionals, baik di tulisan maupun di lisan. You got it, right? Thank you very much for your nice reasons. And now we are coming to Arya, I guess. No. Is it Arya? Okay, Arya, it's yours. Your turn. Automation will not fewer. Not fewer. Automation will make future jobs easier, not fewer.
I agree.
Yes, why?
Sabar.
Belum. Kamu harus mengcounter argumennya ya, bukan ke pendapat. Automation. Automation is a part of technology, right? No. Okay. So technology will make us future job easier. Yes, actually I agree, but what is the reason? Yes.
Automation will make mass job easier, not fewer jobs.
Okay, automation, sorry, must easier. Wait, can you give us some real example that automation will make our future job easier? Sekarang udah ada ya, nggak usah ke future job ya. Kalau yang sekarang apa contohnya? The real example of the automation in our life.
In the IT or the companies, if we to collect data,
Mhm.
we
Collect.
automation feeding data.
Oh, so it's make our job easier.
Yes.
I think most of us agree with that one, right? Does anybody has another idea? No.
Yes.
Yes, aman ya, lanjut ke Avan. Alan ya. Oke. Alan is about teamwork.
Ini yang sering ngembur, nggak sering ngembur.
Okay, Alan. Teamwork is more important than individual skill in IT projects.
Sir, intro.
Yes. Hah?
Intro.
Berarti harus agree dong. Enggak disagree dong. Kalau introvert ya. But do you agree or disagree?
Teamwork, I agree.
You agree. Okay. Why?
Working alone,
Working alone,
it's more like what?
it's more like okay. Working alone is
When you face some trouble.
Oh, wow, okay.
Maybe that's
the teamwork will solve it
yeah.
when we get any troubles.
And asking for help to
Yeah.
someone who know
Okay.
better about it.
Okay. Yes, I got your point. Does anybody has another idea? Agree. Ini kalau yang disagree kayaknya langsung di ini ya. Okay, I agree as well actually. So now it's David. Having a degree
Why every this? Why graphic?
ya kayak pendidikan gitu ya. Having a degree is less important than having experience in IT. Do you agree or disagree? Sorry? Do you agree with that? Okay. Having a degree is less important. Something like you or an education is what? Degree is something like our educations, right? Like yes. It's like what? What is that? Oh yes, bachelor, like bachelor. Okay. So do you agree with that? It's okay, take your time. It's less important. So bachelor is not really important. The important one is having experience in IT. Do you agree with that, right? No. Oh, difficult. Okay, yes, please take your time. Oh, ini debatable banget nih, education and experience. Tapi lebih baik punya keduanya ya. And be ready after this is Randy, right? Okay. Yeah, you must choose one. Which one is more important? Sorry? Belum, ah? Boleh ganti konteks saja. Yes. You agree, yes. Oh, disagree. Because? Mhm.
It will give
Knowledge.
knowledge
From the degree or education. Uh-huh.
It will give our skills.
Uh-huh. You will improve our skills, right? And then?
Happy experience.
Uh-huh. Okay, good. That's all. So that's all, right? Okay, good. So, Davin disagree with this. Does anybody want to counter Arya about it? Ada yang punya ide lain? Maksudnya another idea about experience is more important? Enggak ya? So, you agree that experience is more important? No. Degree is less important. Tadi kalau Davin kayak ini ya, setuju ya berarti ya? Oh nggak setuju? Tidak setuju ya? Berarti yang lebih setuju bahwa experience lebih penting. Oh, bukannya degree tadi. Berarti harusnya setuju, harusnya tidak setuju kan?
Iya, kan bilangnya kan di situ kan tertulis having a degree is most important. Lebih
Iya, lebih penting itu kan tadi ya. Karena kan we will get more knowledge and improve our skill katanya ya. Berarti kan agree atau disagree kalau kayak gitu alasannya? Disagree ya. Oke. Ada yang agree? Coba.
Ya, kan tadi mau jelasin itu N.
Hah? N? Ada yang punya? Oke, nggak ada ya? Nggak ada punya ide lain ya? Oke, now we are coming to the last one. Randy.
Mr. Randy.
Social media. No.
Cyber security.
Bukannya udah ya cyber? Oh belum. Oh yang kemarin. Randy. Cyber security is more about human behavior than technology. Jadi kayak ya itu yang kemarin ya, dia disebabkan oleh manusia, ulah manusia gitu ya, daripada teknologi. Do you agree with that? Okay. Do you agree with that? Jadi kayak
It is more about human
Yes.
before
behavior than technology.
behavior than technology.
Can you say it again? Behavior. Behavior. Yes. Do you agree with that? Do you agree with that? That's a British. Okay. So, do you agree with that? Maksudnya tuh kayak lebih ke gara-gara kecerobohan manusia kalau konteksnya cyber security-nya itu ini terganggu gitu ya. It's merely based on the human, not the technology. Do you agree with that?
I agree
Yes. Why?
because
Apa-apa? It's okay. Saya ini bahasa.
kesalahan manusia.
Human mistake? Oh, human error. Oh, because it's merely just from the human error. Okay, good. Is that all? Is there any other idea that actually the cyber security is merely just because of the technology yang rapuh? Enggak ya. Tapi memang it's because of the human right, the human behavior. Okay, good. Yes, kejahatan tidak terjadi bukan karena ada. Aduh, Bang Napi apa nih Bang Napi? Mas, inget nggak? Iya, tapi gimana? Bang Napi, gimana? Do you know Bang Napi? Kayaknya Gen Z nggak ada yang tahu nih. Bang Napi. Yang tahu cuma waspada lah ya. Tahu? Hah? Kok silet? Iya. Badannya besar. Apa ya namanya? Bukan.
Oh iya.
Apa ya?
Ya habis silet bener kan. Bisa silet.
Nah ini dia nih, kejahatan terjadi bukan hanya karena ada niat pelakunya, tapi juga karena ada kesempatan. Hah? Jadi retaknya cyber security itu bukan hanya ada niat, tapi ada celah untuk melakukannya gitu ya. Kesempatan. Ya begitu. Do you agree with this? Okay, now we are coming to the second. Nah, kalau yang ini lebih ke speaking, kalau yang tadi kan lebih ke critical ya. Ini lebih ke speaking. Seperti apa itu? Nah, ini kita lihat. This one, office uniform. So it's all about this one. Kalau nama gamenya sih namanya Jam ya. Just a minute. Jadi you must speak in a minute, like as free as you can. You know what I mean, like as free as you can? Karena misalnya gini ya, lo ada yang kosong nih, beruntung nih dapat kosong. Gak usah ngomong. Nah, when you got the casual plot, so you must describe the casual plots in 1 minute, like everything. Like walaupun nggak nyambung nggak apa-apa, yang penting speak up. You know what I mean? Hah? Nggak apa-apa mbak. Casual plots, asal iya benar mau bilang gitu mbak. Oke. Sebenarnya sih dalam game ini nggak boleh ada kata gitu ya, tapi nggak apa-apa, kan belajar ya.
Harus 1 menit kah?
Mau 1 menit, just a minute, atau jam, atau just a second. No, second mah terlalu. Maksudnya just 30 second. 30 second ya. Oke, just an hour. Kita pakai countdown. Berarti 30 detik aja deh. 30. Oke. Kita mulai dari casual clothes is a cloth that we wear usually we wear in our house. It is not very formal uniform, but nowadays in some public office we can also use the casual clothes, just something like that. Nggak nyambung nggak apa-apa, yang penting ngomong sama yang tadi ya, yang ya kayak lagi zikir juga nggak apa-apa, casual cloth gitu ya. Selama 30 detik. Asal nggak tahu malu ya Pak. Oke. Tadi kan dari kanan. Oke. Ya iyalah kan dari kanan, sekarang dari kiri. Siapa tahu dapat ini Roy Pick. Roy Pick, when you ready. Kita lihat.
Yang susah, amin.
Gak susah ya. AI creativity. AI creativity. When you ready? Are you ready? 3. Bebas. Mau. Yang penting ngomong. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Creativity is something that comes out from ourselves. Tadi kan ada inspirasi dari teman-teman ya? Udah ya. Nah itu nggak apa-apa, mau eat AI, mau drink AI ya kan. Yang penting speak English. 3, 2, 1 and go.
You can use AI to make a creativity about some coding or plan. Maybe tools another tool.
It's okay. Don't forget the creativity juga ada.
So
Yeay. Mas Dede, right? Oke. This one is supposed to be... Ya, nggak dapet hijau. Loh, ada 2. Oh, sekarang hijau ya? Work emails. Work emails. You can explain work or you can explain emails, nggak harus connect ya. Yang penting speak up. Okay, when you ready, Mas Tere, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good evening.
Okay, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting ada work emails. Good evening.
I'm just
Explain?
explain the work email.
Okay.
In brain code digital technology,
Yes, nice.
work email is important
Mm-hmm.
because it's the communication with internal and the external team.
Okay, is that all? Yes. Yay! Okay, I give you one tips actually for these games. Maybe you can ask the audience. It's better, right? You can ask Zaki as many as possible. Singge. It's a
Machine gun. It's delicious.
yeah. Enggak ya, langsung ke Maruf ya. Beruntung ya.
Itu beneran.
Iya beneran. Beneran dong, kan laki ya. Overtime. When you ready, 3, 2, 1, and go.
So what is overtime? Overtime is
Consist of?
consists of 2 words. Of 2 words. And the over mean over and time is
Time.
time is it's delicious. You can eat it because it's not even it's not a bread or it's a time.
Time ya?
What is work? Work is
Wow, ya, oke. Okay, you can do that actually. Yes. Even when you want to translate like over is over, time is time. No. Time is waktu gitu ya. Oke. Mau nanya juga nggak apa-apa. Yang penting speak English. And one more tips actually. Never see the time. Itu karena meng-trigger ya. Oke, it's you, Fadil. Okay. Personal devices. Loh. Device pribadi, alat-alat pribadi. Oke, sudah ya. Fadil, 3, 2, 1, action.
I am personal device.
Device.
Maybe in the morning. I eat personal device.
Okay, it's okay.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
Of course.
Yes, of course.
This personal device. Like maybe
Example.
Apple.
Apple.
Huawei.
Huawei. Yeay. Ini Maruf virus ya. Because I just found this kind of things in this class. Kalau sebelumnya bisa nanya ya kan. Okay. And it's supposed to be Salim, I guess. Okay, the next one is Salim. Social media.
Pas banget.
Pas sih. Politics. Di bawah politics juga nggak apa-apa. Oke. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Social media is one item in the life in social
Industry.
and social media can just be
Don't see the time, please. Tambah nggak ini.
We are on but
Yeay. Believe me, never see the time because it's not purifying your mind. You can. Okay. Another tips from me, you can close your eyes when you want to speak and focus on one. Gimana? Kesurupan. Kalau nggak kesurupan ya, it's supposed to be like Zaki, I guess. Okay, it's supposed to be like casual clothes. Yes. Casual clothes, not clothes. Iya, baju santai. Are you ready? Oh no. Tadi Salim apa tadi sosial media once gitu ya? Oke. Maksudnya salah satu ya? Oke. Kalau once apa artinya once? Once itu artinya apa? Takutnya kalau ke once once. Karena sangat berbeda jauh dengan one off ya. Once apa once? Once, jangan bilang penyanyi ya. Once is like, does anybody know what is once? One, bisa sekali, bisa dulu ya kan? Apalagi lumayan jauh. So it's supposed to be like one off, right? Okay, one off. Sewaktu-waktu. Suatu saat is once upon a time, gitu ya. Once upon a time. Okay. Zaki, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Okay, I want to explain you about the casual clothes. Casual clothes is personal event where you wearing everywhere when you on holiday, and then you can sell the casual clothes for yourself too.
Okay.
Money,
Okay.
for money.
Okay. Yes, that's it. Okay. Actually, you can see the time, but if you are a controller person sih ya, bisa mengontrol mainnya ya, you can see the time. Okay. So next is Alfat. Is it? Yes. Okay. Alfat, is your turn. Office uniform. Okay, Alpha, 3, 2, 1, and go.
In www.lenstopwatch.com, I post my office uniform in 25. Then I post it because it's not clear, but I go back and I start it again, and then I buy my office uniform. Then I wear my office uniform. It's turned upside down. It's burning. No way.
Yay! You have only one actually. Yes, good ya. Karena memang tujuannya adalah we not to say Yes, Maru, what's wrong?
It's burning.
Okay, it's Alan, Avan, Alan ya. Free coffee. Ini bebas, mau kopi gratis, area bebas kopi terserah ya. Tapi ini harusnya sih kopi gratis ya, bukan area bebas kopi.
Kopi gratis tidak ada di
Okay. Okay, Alan, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Free coffee is free beverage for all employees.
Yes,
This
good.
company menyediakan apa?
Provide.
For the free coffee to anyone who want and to make employees stay awake, I guess. The coffee is delicious indeed.
Indeed, okay.
Not gonna lie, it's delicious.
Wih, not gonna lie. Kayaknya ini udah pergaulannya sama anak-anak gaul orang Inggris ya, not gonna lie. Itu slang-slang gitu ya, wis. Jangan-jangan, tapi ini di bagian London ya mas, dia ngumpul sama anak-anak gaul UK ya. Di dekatnya Birmingham, no, Buckingham. Do you know Buckingham? Does anybody know what is Buckingham Palace?
Yeah.
Istana Buckingham?
Oh,
I know, but I haven't been there.
Oh yes, you just know it. I just know. Do you know it? Oke. Nongkrongnya biasanya di mana tuh? Dari Buckinghamnya di mananya? Not gonna lie.
It's liking the
Oke, it's Arya. Arya is oh, it's a. Are you work-life balance? No.
Yes, I think.
Okay, work-life balance. Are you ready? Okay. Zul is there. Ah, sorry. Okay. Oh, bukan Los Angeles ya, Lenteng. Lenteng Agung. Apa tadi? Sebelum LA apa? Oh. Oh. Nggak ada KL, nggak ada. KL. Okay. Arya, are you ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Work-life balance is we can manage time and energy between the professional work and personal life in everyday.
In everyday's life. 15 seconds, please. You're gonna stop.
Ngatur.
Do you have work-life balance?
Do you have work-life balance?
Yes, I know.
And we not we
Yay!
feel burnt out.
Oh, feels burns out. Burns out is udah level ke-7 capek ya. Exhausted, fatigue, and then tired. Tired di paling bawah sih. Oke. So Randy, Randy. Okay. Randy and then burn out. Yes. I have been burned out. Okay, team meetings. Okay, team meetings. Ready? Ready, steady, go. No, belum. It's just naturally speak up actually. You do not have to. Okay. Asal ngomong. Gak ada yang nanya-nanya nih kayak good evening everyone gitu. Misalnya, does anybody know what is this? Team meetings. You ready?
Sedang merangkai kata.
Iya, merangkai ya. Banyak penelitian mengatakan kalau kita berbicara 2 bahasa setiap hari ya, itu katanya sih menajamkan otak katanya ya. Nah, ya boleh, pokoknya mau bebas. Yang penting berbeda bahasanya ya. Oke. 3, 2, 1, and go.
In brand code, tim Pinas
Every day.
mengadakan
Health, or conduct. Yes.
team meetings
Mhm.
and leader teams is I'm analytic
Oh wow. Okay.
and
Members, yay. Okay. Davin, right? Open office, ya. Terserah bebas Davin. Mau close office, mau open office itu bebas ya. Mau open house ya kan, yang penting ada open dan office. When you ready, yes, take your time. Rangkai kata dulu ya. Kita persiapkan untuk motion ronde 2 spin. Masih ada waktu loh kita. Kemarin apa? Okay. But I think from this game, I can see clearly your speaking ability. Ya, malah lebih kelihatan ya. Karena kan nggak based on the scripted ya. Kalau di bet malah scripted, cuman lebih dalam sih scriptednya. Kalau ini memang speakingnya oke, cuman kan kemana-mana ya. I can eat, iya Asbun, nah itu dia. Coba nanti kita combine ya. Yes please. Oh, saya tahu nih obatnya biar nggak kosong. Di reload. Nah, di reload. Di nggak. Oke, di shuffle juga nggak berantakan. Oke. Open office. Udah. Open office ya. Udah? Siap? Oke, kita lanjut. Kita mulai. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Open office. I will explain I will describe the open first. The open is white space. Yeah, it's a white space, and office is where people working there.
Oke.
So that means that's the office that has the white space. It's like in outside thing. Yeah.
Yes. You still have time?
And
Yay! That's a nice improvement, by the way. Your voice, your fluency, your confidence sudah lumayan terbentuk ya. Pertahankan ya, dan tingkatkan kalau bisa. Davin, that's good. And now we are coming to our second round. Kita shuffle dulu. Coffee.
Ini apa lagi?
Yay! Coffee is more essential than sleep for IT workers. Ya? Apa tadi? Kan udah di spill ya? Apa sih namanya? Udah di ini ya? Berarti ini apa? Bentar ya, kita coba buat coffee. Mana tadi coffee? Oke, this one. Tema debat ya? Oh sorry, this one. So round 2, the theme is this one. Coffee is more essential than sleep for IT workers. So Salim, Maruf, and Mas Dede must support coffee is more essential than sleep for IT workers. And Fadil, Singgi, and Roypik, you must support that sleep is more essential for IT workers. You must support that sleep is better. Sleep is more essential. Let me just give you more the context. The context of this motion is like this one, right? This one. The context. Late night projects. Late night projects, debugging marathons, and tight deadlines often lead to caffeine dependence in an IT teams. Maksudnya apa nih? Project debugging marathons dan deadline yang tight itu sering memicu ketergantungan kafein. Is it? In IT teams. So, which one is better? When the programmers face this kind of things. Sleep first or coffee first? Or sleep and then drink coffee and then work gitu ya? Tapi nggak kayak gitu. Nggak boleh dua-duanya. Harus salah satu.
Sleep with drinking coffee.
Nggak bisa. Gini dong. Yes. Win-win solution ya. Okay, 5 minutes, is it okay? We have only like 15 minutes. Oh, no, 18 minutes. Nggak apa-apa ya. Tapi kita case building, waktu untuk berpikirnya tuh kayak cuman 10 menit ya. Coba. Countdown. Kemarin 15. Iya sih. Kemarin 15 ya. Berarti hari ini 15.
Dulu harus lagi.
Ya.
Mundur lagi nggak? 20.
Diundur emang yang di round 1 mau ya? Mau aja ya? Yes, please. Yes, please.
Ini
Oh, konteksnya. You wanna see the context? Kamu Prime Minister bisa kok membuat konteks sendiri sebenarnya, ini hanya sebagai reference. But pro siapa pro tadi? Di sini kan? Oh di sini. Ya berarti harus ngikutin ini dong. Cons yang? Oh yang tidur. Fadil must support tidur.
tidur tiba.
Kayaknya yang lebih efektif tuh tidur kalau ingin lagi ada deadline. Tidur dulu gitu ya.
Sebelum itu.
Kalau kemarin tuh coffee versus tea ya? Oh iya. Oke. Okay, this one is this. Okay, for the judges. For the judges. So the judges is supposed to be Arya, right? And then Davin, and then Alfat, and Randy. Am I right? Oh, Randy is the timekeeper. Oh, Arya is the timekeeper. Hah? Iya udah ya. I just want to write the judges actually. The judges is supposed to be Davin, Alfat, Randy. Alfat, Randy, and Alan. Okay, so Zaki and Arya, you do not need to fill out the peer assessment actually. I have two kind of peer assessment, two offering actually. Jadi ada dua format. Format pertama itu, nah seperti ini nih. Bisa milih nama anggota siapa ya yang ngisi. Alan, Randy, Alfat, and kalau kemarin tuh kan yang ini ya, yang ada namanya baru di ini. Nah tapi yang format kedua itu nggak ada namanya, jadi nggak perlu milih-milih sih. Iya, jadi kayak kita tuh nilai nulis dulu di bearer's name yang dinilai, udah langsung gitu doang. Jadi berkali-kali ngisinya. Kayaknya format yang ini aja.
Iya. Kalau yang mana harus diskusi.
Nah itu agak ribet, so I'm gonna send the new link actually, new system, new format. Okay, group. It is.
Tapir proses. Yes, of solution.
This one. Okay. The time is 10 minutes left, I guess. Just make sure that you have the RLs, right? Just forget it. Oke. Orang ketiga berarti cuma 3 menit ya maksimal ya. Tadi Arya, you still understand about this one, right? Oke, 3 minutes only. Berarti ketokan untuk pertama orang ketiga tuh di menit pertama Terus ketokan kedua di menit ke 2. Oke. Iya kan jadinya? Tak, tak, tak. Terus tak, tak, tak gitu ya. Wah, ini akibat udah panas tadi ya langsung selesai. Hah? Are you the third one? Oh, you cannot give the new arguments, right? Okay, you just elaborate more and more the first and the second speaker argument. Oke. Keenam ya? Keenam dari speakers itu. Bukan bebas milih salah satu ya? Iya, tapi berulang-ulang nggak apa-apa, bisa kok. Hah?
Ini bukan 6 tab.
6 tab, biar set gitu ya.
Biar diisi namanya di sini, jadi muncul-muncul.
I just wanna see that. This one. And what?
Lali rek.
Bisa ya?
Food launch.
History ini ya?
Iya. Yang penting kayak bisa
Sure.
bisa salin. Kita next kan. Tetap salin.
Ya Pak? Ya biasa kan? Iya, maklum berarti.
Anjir. Kalau sing apa namanya? Sing guys.
Oh iya, ada lima.
Sing guys bisa ada sing guys.
Terus guys.
Macam semua.
Sore. Itu kan boy.
Yes, I do agree with you. I totally need it. I feel exhausted of massage actually. You know massage, right? My body was broke into pieces. My brother broke into pieces, my body. Oh, siapa yang bisa mijit? Oh, really? Yes. Yes, the first speaker from both them can be rebutted. If just in the time, I mean like not in the protected time, right? Tapi orang ketiga nggak boleh diribat ya?
Dan kipernya di mana?
Aku juga, aku mau libat dari
Aku mau libat.
Aku mau libat.
Oh, mau libat chatnya?
Yes.
Boleh sih kayak libat chatnya.
Aku punya libat dua ini.
Masuk bisu.
Oke, timekeeper. Oke. BOI time is only 20 seconds, right?
What do you think?
Yes.
For the speaker is only
Yeah, 3 minutes.
not only talk the talk.
Yes. Yes, please. You wanna see a flower? In some schools in UK, yes, the teacher teaches the student. What was that? Craft.
Itu kata satu.
Ya kalau lagi gituin udah.
If we see from the result of the formative test, there are 3 persons who haven't taken the test, I guess, right? Because we are 12. It's only 9. So one of them is Mas Dede, right? Yang formative test kemarin ya, yang debate formative test. And then 2 lagi siapa?
Randy
Oh, Randy.
sama David.
David. Oke. Ya udah. We will take it. I think we cannot. I have a propose actually.
No.
Oh no?
No.
Now. Oh now. I think we cannot conduct a debate tonight because of my condition is not really well actually. Is it okay for you if we conduct next week? Oke, kalau yang tim mau debat ya. Enggak, emang udah sih ya, Pak. Nah itu dia masalahnya. Ya. Nggak on the spot ya. Padahal saya kalau orang-orang yang dari round 1 diem aja mah diem aja ya. Ternyata but it's supposed to be next week. Ah, dikumpulin.
Ini yang kemarin gua nggak masuk.
Yang ini Mas. Iya, yang Tazia ya.
Tazia, Randy sama Randy Sakti.
Randy Sakti.
Iya, izin.
Senin.
Iya, Senin.
Now maybe next week we can you do this first and then we do the debate. Kaget. Oh iya sekarang.
Berarti maksudnya udah capek-capeknya.
Capek-capek. Atau gini aja, win-win solusinya tetap motion ini tapi tanpa melihat skripnya. Hah? Gimana? Gimana Roy Pick? Tapi itu nggak apa-apa. Ada waktu seminggu kok buat ngapalin. Ya kan? Oh hafal.
My friend will
Burn out ya. Gimana?
perkenalan kamu kan.
Ganti ya. Tapi tetap
Oh ganti. Kita pakai voting ya, ganti atau tetap itu tapi di ini tanpa.
Gak usah pakai teks.
Atau gini aja teksnya Arel tapi poin-poinnya toh.
Enggak. Yang itu diambil semua kalau mau.
Nggak kasihan dong harus tepat. Yang penting sama maksudnya gitu.
Yang dikumpulin.
Coba kita voting dari yang mana ya? Berarti ganti motionnya ya mas. Tapi ganti.
berarti 2 minggu lagi.
Iya.
Okay. So Roy pick which one do you like to choose? Still with this motion, but you
Maybe this
Submit.
script, yeah, can submit in the sentence.
Okay. Actually, it's supposed to be on the spot, Roy pick. But
Kan kita nggak boleh.
emang iya. Can we trust you? Can we trust him?
Public aja.
Berarti ya. Ya udah gimana nih? Jadi di spin ulang. Tapi nanti motion ini dimasukin deh dari 6 itu. Nah, kalau beruntung dapat ini lagi.
Enggak lah.
Iya.
Kan 6-1.
Tapi kan gimana possibility?
The possibility is
Tidak mau possibility itu ada
Iya.
the possibility is only under 15%.
But it's existing, right?
Existing, yes.
I mean that.
Maybe we just vote. Apa emang vote-nya apa pilihannya? Hah?
Di kaca ulang tapi ada ini tema ini.
Atau enggak gitu aja.
Iya tuh atau enggak coba jelasin. Apa?
Kalau udah berarti kan di tekot yang kita kerjain kali ini. Itu.
So, Bumi sudah kelas leader dia.
Oh giliran itu leader ya, captain ya. Sudah.
Dapatnya Pak Didi.
Actually, democracy must be voting, right?
Yeah.
Even Prabowo bisa dilengserin ya. Walaupun
Ayo, baik.
Ayo kita touch.
Ganti nanti.
Udah voting.
tapi pilihannya apa voting ini? Ya. Voting option yang pertama tetap ini ada di spin. Artinya di spin ulang tetap ini ada. Terus yang kedua apa? Oh yang ini nggak ada. Oh itu optionnya. Oke.
Mau itu. Berarti pilihan cuma 5 ya.
Berarti iya pilihannya option 1 berarti apa ya namanya? Respin ya. Motion udah paham ya?
Saya suka remove the current motion. Yes, of course. Bisa.
Gitu aja ya.
Udah ini kan
Saya ada-
itu berenam ya.
Kita tuh udah plus semua nih.
Pinjam mana? Aku mau pilih David.
Ini mana nih?
Opsi 1.
Loh. Ini yang nggak boleh ini ya? Okay, now let's vote.
Option 2 deal.
Who want option 2 deal? Gimana? Belum dong.
Udah
Yang Okay. For those who want to choose option 1, please raise your hand. Raise your hand. I'm not blind, I can still count the body, not the hands. Okay. One more for those. And the second one, for those who want to take the option 2 is? Yeah. Okay, we take second option.
Oke, kamu juga
Atmosphere. Okay. So that's all I guess for now. Do you have any questions before we close? Button, right? Button. Botan, okay. Is Botan is from Cilacap? No, right? It's from Jogja, right? No. Oh, Universal. Okay. Botan. Yeah. Yeah, because my mom says so. I mean, like my national language in my house. Kromo Inggil. Oh, yang older. Yes. And that belongs to Kromo Inggil? No. Kromo Alus. So what is the differences between Kromo Inggil and Alus? POI please. Oh, this one. Yeah, it's something like Panjenengan and Koi and that's the highest one. Okay. Thank you very much. What matur suwun sangat, right? For your nice participation and at last wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.
Yay! Thank you, sir.
All right.